Cardano is certainly one of those ventures that have staggering likely beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit. Based on peer investigated scholarly exploration, Cardano has united areas of strength for it throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the desires of its group have made ADA one of the top digital forms of money on the planet. We should investigate what the Cardano digital currency and task are about and inspect our ADA cost figure for the next few years. If it's not too much trouble, remember that, likewise with some other digital currency, it is almost difficult to make a 100% precise Cardano cost estimate. We notice what least cost and greatest value ADA might possibly have in 1 year or the following 5 years. However, those are only our assessments. This video doesn't comprise speculation exhortation. Cardano establishment expresses that its definitive objective is to give trendsetters and visionaries a stage that will assist them with making the world a superior spot. To achieve this, the Cardano Group is building an interoperable and versatile multi-resource record with a stage for unquestionable savvy contracts. The Cardano blockchain was intended to be a more proficient choice to confirmation of work networks like Bitcoin. It has higher interoperability and adaptability potential and is additionally quicker, less expensive, and more economical than POW blockchains. The Cardano biological system runs on Ouroboros, the evidence of stake agreement convention that is secure and, most importantly, is upheld by scholastic exploration. Each change to the Cardano guide is peer explored and moored by an examination-based system, assuming that you might want to get more familiar with this imaginative cryptographic money and the manner in which Cardano works, video or make a beeline for the authority Cardano site. What is Cardano utilized for? Cardano was worked to engage the improvement of different decentralized applications, DeFi devices, tokens, and more in a supportable and versatile way. Here are a portion of the things you can involve Cardano for, in no specific request. Create, send, and get local tokens and NFTs. Add metadata to exchanges to give them personality and foundation. Use exchange metadata to approve and check any information, computerized documents, or even actual items. Set up and deal with your own marking pool on Cardano. Integrate the Cardano innovation into your current stages and sites. Create your own shrewd agreements. Also, this is how you can manage your ADA tokens, other than exchanging them, obviously. Use your ADA to decide on administration recommendations, especially those that disperse depository reserves. Stake ADA to acquire rewards. Shrewd agreements. In September 2021, the Cardano network had a significant update that additional shrewd agreement capacity, empowering the blockchain to scale and work quicker. Shrewd agreements are self-executing, mechanized or pre-customized agreements that are trying to change. These agreements track, approve, and complete the understanding between a few gatherings. Furthermore, it rejects the contribution of a mediator or other outsiders. The organization improvement of Cardano has expanded regardless of a cost decline during the negative stage in the crypto market in 2022. Plutus Contents, a stage for Cardano-based savvy contracts, passed 4,000 shrewd agreements after the Vassal hard fork in September, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Cardano is $0.41, and ADA is buy and by position no. 7 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Cardano is 34,646,686,089 with a market cap of $14,108,971,479.32. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ADA has been in a decent vertical pattern, consequently expanding by 10.5%. Cardano has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of ADA has expanded by 20.79%, adding a Goliath normal measure of 8 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Cardano costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Cardano will be 44 cents. The most extreme level that the ADA cost can reach is 50 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 45 cents. Likely return for capital invested. 64.5% by ADA value figure for WAC 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Cardano toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ADA pace of 33 cents in WAC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 30 cents and at 34 cents. Separately, likely return for capital invested. 12.9% by April 2023. Cardano value estimate digital currency specialists are prepared to report their figure for the ADA cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 33 cents, while the greatest could reach 36 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Cardano may be around 35 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 19.3% by ADA value estimate for May 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value variances of Cardano in 2023 and in earlier years. So the normal ADA rate they anticipate may be around 36 cents in May 2023. It can drop to 34 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 37 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 22.6% by June 2023. Cardano value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The ADA cost will be exchanged at 37 cents by and large. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cardano worth to 39 cents. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than 35 cents in June 2023. Likely return for money invested, 29% by ADA value gauge for July 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Cardano costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023, 38 cents. The most reduced and top ADA rates may be 37 cents and 40 cents. Likely return on initial capital investment, 32.2% by August 2023. Cardano value gauge crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ADA cost will be around 39 cents. In August 2023, the Cardano cost might drop to at least 38 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 42 cents in August 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 38.7% by ADA value figure for September 2023. Having dissected Cardano costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the ADA rate could arrive at a limit of 44 cents in September 2023. It may, notwithstanding, drop to 39 cents. For September 2023, the estimated normal of Cardano is almost 41 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 45.1% by October 2023. Cardano value estimate around mid-2023. The Cardano cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 42 cents. Crypto experts expect that in October 2023, the ADA cost could change somewhere in the range of 41 cents and 46 cents. Likely return for capital invested, 51.6% by ADA value conjecture for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the Cardano worth won't dip under at least 43 cents. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is 48 cents. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 44 cents. Likely return for money invested, 58% by December 2023. Cardano value figure digital currency specialists have painstakingly dissected the scope of ADA costs all through 2023. For December 2023, their gauge is the accompany. The greatest exchanging worth of Cardano will be around 50 cents, with a chance of dropping to at least 44 cents. In December 2023, the normal expense will be 45 cents. Possible return on initial capital investment, 64.5% by Cardano value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of Cardano in earlier years, it is expected that in 2024, the base cost of Cardano will be around 65 cents. The greatest expected ADA cost